Hey, welcome back to How to Barbecue Right. I'm Malcolm Reed. Now y'all know fish is not the best thing that I cook on the grill. I struggle with it sometimes, but I've absolutely figured out how to cook salmon. And this recipe I got for you today, we do it 2 or 3 times a month for dinner. Even the kids love it. Balsamic honey salmon. It's easy and it's delicious. Let's get to cooking. So if you can get fresh salmon, that's great. Here in Mississippi, I just got to go with what the store has. I picked this up at Kroger, and I wanted 4 pieces. They're about 6 to 8 ounces each. It's a perfect serving size for salmon. I'm leaving the skin on it. I like the skin to protect it. If you want to take that skin off, that's fine. But when this salmon's done, the skin comes right off when you eat it, and it just adds a little layer of protection on the grill, helps it stay together. So the first thing that I'm gonna do to the salmon is get a little light coat of olive oil. So we're just gonna drizzle a little oil, and then I'm gonna use my hands and just kind of spread it around. It kind of gives something for my seasoning to stick to. It just kind of gets the outside of the fish ready for smoke and ready for flavor. For the seasoning, I'm using a little bit of my King Craw Cajun seasoning. If you got a favorite Cajun season, you can use that too. We're just gonna put a little coat on the outside. I do wanna make sure I get the edges. I just wanna make sure I got flavor all over it fish, y'all. To cook this salmon today, I'm running my pellet grill at 400 degrees. Now, I know that seems pretty high, but I wanna build up a crust on the outside of the salmon. And that pellet grill moves a lot of air, so it's really gonna make a nice texture on the outside. So our grill is up to temp. All I'm gonna do is set this salmon skin side down right on the rack. Kind of put my thicker ends kind of towards the outside. You wanna give them enough space where the smoke and the air can get all around them. Get the lid closed. And y'all, this ain't gonna take long. We're gonna go 13 minutes at 400 degrees. While that fish is on the smoker, I'm gonna throw together the glaze we're gonna put on it at the end. I'm starting with just a little drizzle of olive oil in a pan. Then I've got the whites of some green onion. I just chopped up about 2 green onions. Might be a little warm there. Let's tone that down. You want to give these just a minute or 2 in the olive oil, just kind of get the juices out of them a little bit. Then after about 2 minutes, I'm going to throw in a couple cloves of garlic. And we're just gonna give that about 60 seconds. Once you start smelling the garlic, we're ready to proceed. Now we're gonna come in balsamic vinegar, about a 1/4 cup. And then to sweeten it up a little bit, I just got some honey. Get about 2 tablespoons. You need just a touch of seasoning, so I'm gonna hit it with some salt and pepper, TX seasoning. We're just gonna reduce this glaze by about half. It's gonna take about 5 to 7 minutes. You can tell it's kind of reduced down. It kind of gets a little syrupy. That's what you want. You can just kill the heat, and it's gonna stay perfectly warm here till the fish gets ready. So after about 13 minutes, the fish has been on the grill. I want to check the internal temperature. I'm looking for about 125 to 130. There we go, 130 degrees. Yeah, I want to go ahead and get my glaze on it. And all I'm doing is taking a brush and just brushing it over the outside of each fillet. I think this balsamic and honey, it just goes so good with salmon. Now this fish just needs about 5 more minutes. I don't want that glaze to burn, and at 400 degrees, it can do it really quick. So we're just gonna watch it real close. About to be time to try some salmon. Man, our salmon is looking fantastic. The glaze is kind of just cooked right over the fish. We're just gonna get these dudes off. Man, y'all look at that. It's beautiful. Nice color on the outside. The glaze just melts right in. All those seasonings. Let's get it over to the board. Now I'm gonna let this salmon hang out on the cutting board for a few minutes just to cool down just a little bit. And I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of green onion tops. But let's see, let's go in for this small bite here. I'll save the big ones for somebody else. But it should be flaky, it should be juicy. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna just get off in it to where y'all can see it. That is perfectly cooked salmon. Simple, juicy. I mean, look, I don't know if you can see that on camera. Look how moist it is. All that juice stays in the fish. It's perfectly cooked. You don't wanna cook it any longer. It should just flake apart. The balsamic, the honey that goes with the flavor of the fish. Give this one a try, y'all. Hey, appreciate y'all hanging out with us today at How to Barbecue Right. If y'all like what we're doing, subscribe to the channel. You know we're gonna keep putting out videos like this all year long. And Shell and I are definitely gonna talk about this one on our podcast next week. So y'all tune in, give it a listen. We'll see you next time. I about finished this whole filet, y'all. Y'all better come on get some before I eat another one.